In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name files in HoneyBook efficiently and effectively, with some key organization tips. HoneyBook is a versatile platform that many creatives and entrepreneurs use to manage their business processes, from contracts and invoices to proposals and projects. One of the essential aspects of maintaining order within the system is adopting a consistent file naming convention. A well-organized naming system ensures that you, your clients, and your team can easily locate and identify files without any hassle. Let's dive into the process to achieve this. First, when you're in the process of creating or uploading a file within HoneyBook, whether it be an invoice, a contract, or a project proposal, you'll begin by clicking on the file name field located right at the top. This is your starting point to setting a clear and structured name for your document. The goal here is to be both concise and descriptive, allowing anyone who accesses the file to understand its content and purpose instantly by just taking a glance at its name. Now let's talk about what makes for a well-organized file name. A few examples can help illustrate this effectively. Suppose you're working with a client whose name is Taylor, and you're drafting an invoice for the month of March 2025. A suitable file name in this case could be Taylor/invoice/March 2025. Remember, the format typically follows a pattern of the client's name or the project type, followed by a descriptor, and then the date or version number. Another instance might involve a wedding contract for a client named Smith, where a practical name would be Smith vs. Wedding Contract. For creative projects like photography or branding shoots, use something like Brand Shoot Proposal V2 to indicate the second version of a proposal associated with the brand shoot project. Once you've carefully crafted your file name using this method, the next step is to click on the Save or Send button. This action finalizes your file's name and ensures that it appears as designated within both the project overview and the client view on HoneyBook. This clarity not only aids in file retrieval, but also enhances communication with clients who will appreciate the streamlined organization and transparency. With these strategies, you'll master the art of naming files in HoneyBook, making your business management smoother and more effective. I hope these tips empower you to create a streamlined, organized system that saves you time and effort. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!